Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. We recently picked up a 2020 Tesla Model 3 and today we're going to be upgrading the garage. We're going from a plain floor like this to a floor with a two-part epoxy coating, and I'm going to show you how. So let's get started. So I'm going to be using the Quikrete kit that comes with most of the things you need already. It has the Etcher, the two-part epoxy coating mix, a bucket, a stir stick, and colored flakes. On my end, I have the paintbrush or roller, a push broom, or you could use a brush, blue tape to tape the edges, and a power washer to clean and rinse the surface. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the results. It only took a few hours and the rest was just waiting time. If I were to do this project again though, there would be one thing I would make sure to do differently. For a nice clean line, make sure to remove the tape in sections as you go. Since I waited until the end to remove the tape, there were sections of tape I couldn't reach and had to leave until everything dried. As a result, there are areas where tape is cured into the coating and other areas where the coating was ripped off along with the tape. So that wraps it up for this video, and I hope it was helpful. Thanks for checking out our very first video, and we'll have more videos coming out soon.